झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय ले स्वराज्य यह अविचल निश्चय, बोलो भारत माता की जय। स्वतंत्रता है ध्येय हमारा, स्वतंत्रता है ध्येय हमारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला, सस्यश्यामला मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी, सुखदां वरदां मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्।
Dear parents, teachers, and my dear loving students, today, when we celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our nation, remembering 15th August 1947, the memorable day of Indian history, I wish all of you a happy Independence Day. As we all are aware of this present situation, owing to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, we celebrate this Independence Day very silently. I hope all of you are good and safe at home. We know many people lost their lives due to this pandemic. Many are seriously sick, still increasing the number of cases day by day, and others are suffering the after effect of COVID-19. When we remember our freedom fighters on this special day, let's also remember the COVID warriors of our nation and all over the world, like scientists, doctors, nurses, political leaders, police, and many well-wishers and volunteers by their presence, mental support, and financial assistance. let's give a big applause to COVID warriors. We must appreciate them for their tireless work. Also, let's remember the warriors who lost their lives due to this pandemic disease and pray for their souls. We have to fight against with our mental power and get free from COVID-19 now. We can also act ourselves as the COVID barriers, following the rules and regulations given by our government. Cleaning and washing our hands with sanitizers regularly, using masks and other safety measures, keeping social distance, avoiding social gathering, having healthy diet, staying physically active and healthy parenting, engaging in different activities to refresh our mind, protect ourselves and others from sick. Also, we witnessed two major tragedies in Kerala, Rajamala landslide disaster and plane crash recently in Kozhikode. Let's all join our hands together with these deceased people by our prayer and support each other to overcome these situations and get free from COVID-19. Once again, I wish you all Happy Independence Day. Be safe and be healthy. May God bless you all. Jai Hind.